Let's move on to next exercise, which is related to reading comprehension section. So first question is, what were some of the famous careers for the young people in the past? Answer: people of past used to think any student's future plans revolved around becoming a doctor, engineer, or a pilot. These were some of the famous careers because people used to think that only these careers can be proved rewarding. Second question is, nowadays non-traditional careers are more appealing to young minds. Why? Answer: non-traditional careers are more appealing to young minds nowadays because mostly these are such careers which can be stepped in with no particular line of study. These careers have scope in terms of market demand, and people can opt for them according to their interest and aptitude, as there are a wide range of such careers. Third question, what is meant by the right profession? Answer: most people unfortunately think that the right profession is the one that can guarantee profitable livelihood only. In fact, right profession is the one which is chosen by not just considering profitable livelihood, but also one's interest in the job and his mental satisfaction. Next question is, why is it important to consider the scope of any field? Answer: the scope of any field in terms of market demand should be considered very seriously. One cannot practically deny the significance of hiring trends. It means one should acquire knowledge and awareness regarding which fields people are highly acceptable in the job market. Next question, is there any need of proper career counseling department? Why? Answer: yes, there is dire need of proper career counseling department, and it should be started from school level. The job of this department is to determine the personalities and interests of the students and suggest career according to their aptitude. Parents are usually unaware of market trends, educational systems, and scope of any particular discipline. Students are not mature enough to take such life-changing decisions themselves. Hence, career counseling department should be promoted. Next question. How can career counselors help the young people? Answer: career counselors are well aware of the hiring trends in the job market. They determine the personalities of the students, observe and analyze their interest, and suggest suitable careers according to their aptitude. Thank you.